I have been associated with the Divya Jyoti Jagrati Sansthan since last 10 years, and I was deeply hurt over what happened at Ludhiana program, and which was a really historical mega event, and which was disturbed due to certain few social anti-elements. I think they didn't like the peaceful atmosphere of Punjab and especially Ludhiana. And I really feel, I really fail to understand that why all these, false allegations are leveled against His Holiness Ashutosh Maharaj Ji, that he is, preaching against the tenets of Guru Granth Sahib Ji. I myself belong to a Gursikh family, and I have been following, the tenets of Guru Granth Sahib Ji since my childhood. But I do not feel ashamed in admitting that yes, I have come to know the true interpretation, true meaning of Guru Granth Sahib Ji from Ashutosh Maharaj Ji. And that is the reason that why lakhs of Sikh persons are following Ashutosh Maharaj Ji, and they have joined Divya Jyoti Jagrati Sansthan for the same reasons, that they have come to know the true meaning of Guru Granth Sahib Ji through Brahm Gyan, through the initiation of the third eye. And this is the reason, I think this is the real fact which is not digested by those anti-social elements, those who do not like the, a true and spiritual atmosphere of Punjab. And as far as my knowledge goes, I think Divya Jyoti Jagrati Sansthan is not, a small organization. It is one of the biggest organization in the world, and they have done their, excellent job in every possible social welfare activity, be it, drug de-addiction, be it, stress management, be it public health system, be it female feticide, and be it, for the awareness programs. I think they have done, excellent job till date. And as far as drug de-addiction campaign is concerned, and my knowledge says that it has also been testified that they have, collaborated with UNODC, and with their help they were, able to pursue lakhs of young persons who have given up drugs for the good, and they have sought social and spiritual health. And now they have themselves, dedicated their life, for this campaign, and they have turned as true workers in this organization. I humbly appeal to the public that please do not believe in false rumors. Just come over here and seek first-hand authentic information, that what is truth. Until or unless they come over here and seek, authentic information, they shouldn't break or, make or break castles in the air. True information is really very important thing at this, juncture. That again a very petty issue is raised against Maharaj Ji, that there are, women saints living in ashram. I again put the same question back to those who raise this petty issue, that can women not become saints? If women can become doctors, engineers, professors, actors, can they not become saints? Have you met those women saints? Have you sought their views, that what their views are? Even in the, even in the past, there have been women saints in time memorial, like Gargi, Sati, Ansuya, even Mahatma Buddha, even in his ashram there were women saints. That why this, petty issue is raised against him now? Please come over here, come to the organization first and seek your, first hand information. This is, they have done their best job in corporate sector. Their preachers go to the, various organizations, be it, be it a university, college, or any corporate sector. They have, done their best. And I again at the end humbly appeal to the public that please you do invite, preachers from Sansthan to your various, cultural programs or any other program. And I am dead sure that your all doubts against the organization will be dispelled. I appeal to everybody under the sun that please do not believe in false rumors. Not even a single allegation has been proved till date. Please seek first-hand information. That is my humble appeal to the, public. Thank you.